After a long absence from the automotive world, Mercury's fame is reportedly being revived through a revived legendary model, the 2026 Mercury Cougar. The car, once known as one of America's muscle car icons, now comes in a modern form with the latest technology, futuristic design, and more environmentally friendly performance. Here's the full review.
In terms of appearance, the 2026 Mercury Cougar features a very aggressive and modern design. Its body lines are sharp and aerodynamic, reminiscent of the sporty character of classic muscle cars. The front features a large grille with the Mercury logo, which again appears elegant, combined with sleek LED headlights for a futuristic look. The side features dynamic body curves, large alloy wheels, and a sloping roofline typical of a sporty coupe. Meanwhile, at the rear, elongated LED lights with a modern design make this car easily recognizable from a distance. Overall, the design of the 2026 Mercury Cougar successfully combines classic nuances with modern touches without losing its original identity. Stepping inside, the 2026 Mercury Cougar boasts a luxurious and classy interior. High-quality materials like premium leather, aluminum accents, and soft touch panels dominate almost every aspect of the cabin. The dashboard is minimalist yet futuristic, featuring a large 12-inch touchscreen integrated with the latest infotainment system. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital navigation, and wireless connectivity are standard. The seats are ergonomically designed with heating, ventilation, and electrical adjustment. Despite being a coupe, the cabin remains comfortable. A premium audio system from Bang & Olufsen is also included to provide a maximum entertainment experience during the journey. The 2026 Mercury Cougar comes with a choice of engines tailored to customer needs. 2.3L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with approximately 310 horsepower for the standard variant and 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engine with up to 400 horsepower for the performance variant. All variants are equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission with a choice of rear-wheel drive, RWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD. While there's no official price yet, the 2026 Mercury Cougar is expected to be marketed in the following range. Starting from $35,000 to $55,000. This price is quite competitive when compared to rivals in its class like the Ford Mustang, Dodge Challenger, and Chevrolet Camaro. The 2026 Mercury Cougar is a revival of a legend in a much more modern and sophisticated form. This car successfully combines classic muscle car heritage with future technology, making it an attractive choice for sports coupe enthusiasts. For those looking for a sporty car with strong character and modern technology, the 2026 Mercury Cougar is worth the wait.